Hello, my name's James Tanner. I'm a chef and restaurateur. Now, working at restaurants, you're always looking for those great classic combinations. Well, what better classic combination than chicken and white wine? I've taken my inspiration from the Heinz Special Edition soup range, and I've come up with a wonderful, simple, quick recipe, which is penne pasta with chicken and white wine stew. So now it's time to put that classic flavour combination together. Get yourself a non-stick frying pan, add a splash of oil, and here we've got some chopped up chicken thighs, skins and bones removed. In they go. Next up, let's add some diced onion. Stir it all in. Now for the rest of the vegetables. Some diced carrot, a touch of celery, and again, mix it all together. And now for that classic combination, white wine. Bring it up to a simmer and reduce by 1/3. Now for some chicken stock. Bring it all to a simmer and leave to cook through gently for 5 minutes. Now that the chicken's ready, lower the heat, add some whipping cream, some pungent tarragon, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Stir everything together and add some pre-cooked penne pasta. Give it all a good mix up. Grab yourself a serving bowl. Chicken and white wine stew, a wonderful classic combination. So easy to make. And a quick, speedy supper for any time of year. That's my chicken and white wine stew with penne pasta. To find out more about this recipe and my other exclusive recipes, all you need to do is log on to here.